Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making Cajun shrimp and sausage with potatoes. Okay, so as you can see, I'm starting with the sausage. I'm using smoked sausage. I'm just cutting it into small pieces. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to be cutting the potatoes up into small pieces. Okay, once that was done, I went ahead and put the potatoes in a bowl. Now it's time to season them. So I'm showing the seasonings that I'm using. I'm using adobo, garlic, black pepper, and some sazon. Now it's time to mix the potatoes up really well, and then I'm gonna start cooking my sausage. I added oil to the pan. Now I'm adding the sausages in. Now I'm just gonna season it. So while the sausages was cooking, I went ahead and poured the oil in the pot so I could start the potatoes. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding some Cajun seasoning. Now that the sausages and potatoes are done, it's time to start the shrimp. So I added some butter in the pan. Now I'm adding the shrimp and I'm gonna season them. Now that the shrimp is done, I'm gonna be adding the sausage back in. Then I'm just gonna mix that up. And then I'm gonna be adding the potatoes in. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Wow, this is smelling so good. Doesn't it look good, y'all?